content, and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can set up this app called Mirror. What you need to do is, if you want to install this app, head on to the description section and use the URL. Okay, so they're saying please carefully read and fully understand the terms of service privacy agreement, including but not limited to ensure the security of your account. Okay, that's okay. So now what you do is don't enter the Mirror ID. What you need to do is use Google. When you happen to use these other methods, you will actually be having major big time deductions. So let's go by Google. So you choose the account. I'm gonna go by work a day. Okay, so here you select your gender. So I'm male, I'm going by that, and confirm. So they're saying you can't change once you select your gender. So we confirm, and then at the bottom there, confirm. And boom, we are in. We allow. Okay, so they're saying my rewards, room, reach. Okay. Okay, so quickly, we are even able to host. So our interest is to edit everything about us. Click your profile in the top left corner. And let me click there. Okay, awesome. So I can edit everything. I click the pencil icon there in the top right corner. So everything is here. So we can modify this. Signature, the birthday. Confirm. Then height. Confirm. Okay, so this one, it could be 73, 74, 75. Confirm. Then we can add a voice signature here. Okay, so we'll get back to this one. Then we can also edit the profile pic here by clicking it. Choose from album, allow. Can select this one. It's being served. So that has been changed. You can change the background as well. So it's loading. Oh yeah. So we can now head on to the live. How about the signature? Personal signature. Dear Walker. Okay. So we can add the voice signature after we end the live outside. Everything has been changed. Okay. Let's end this. All right. So now we click in the bottom right corner. Okay, so we can bind the email. So it's already there. Then we can also bind phone. Click get verification. So now after binding your phone, you can now set the password. You have to re-enter it. After that, you set the trading password. You enter it twice. Then you confirm. Okay, so after everything, you can set the payment method. Do you want money to be getting into your bank account directly, or you want it to be going into your USDT wallet or ePay? So click there. Then let's click. Okay, so USDT they charge 7%. Bank, that's 6%. ePay 6%. Let's try USDT, and it should be Binance. Okay, so we make sure the chain name is TRC. Let's head on to Binance. And boom, we are in. We click in the bottom right corner. Then we click spot. Then we click deposit. Let me see. So here we click USDT and we check through the networks. So that's TRC20, the one on top. Then we copy the address at the bottom. Then we head back to where we were, and then we paste the address here. We can submit. If we want, we can head on to yellow card. If it's yellow card, okay, so when we are in yellow card, we simply swipe left. so that we're able to see T. Click there, then click receive, and then you click copy and head back to where we were, then you paste, then submit. If we want, we can go ahead and connect ePay as well as the bank. Okay, then upload ID, name, enter your name, your identification number, and the PIC. After that, they'll bring you the real person authentication, so you have to click go to verify. Then you upload your PIC. Okay, so after your PIC is uploaded, you can start certification while using the app. Okay, so to bring this, you click complete, then submit. And everything is done here. Okay, so for now we can head back. We'll get back here sometime later. So check out, we've been given 100 flowers as 50. And I'm in level 1. Okay, so these others will do them later. For now, we'll end here. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for other videos that are yet to roll out.